In this guide, I'm going to show you how you can deactivate your Instagram account. Before we do dive in this video, make sure to like the video and subscribe to the channel with all notifications on. It really does help the channel and lets us know that you want more content like this. We'd greatly appreciate it. Just keep in mind before doing this that you can always reactivate it later just by logging back in. But what you're going to want to do is actually open up Instagram and click on your profile icon down in the bottom right corner and then select the top 3 lines up in the top right corner and select Account Center up at the very top. This is going to take you into your account settings, and from here actually scroll down to the account settings tab, and what you're going to want to select is the personal details option right here. Once you select that, select account ownership and control, and what you're going to want to tap here is deactivation or deletion, and it's going to take you to a tab that looks like this with all your accounts. Select whatever account you're trying to deactivate and then select deactivate up at the very top. Hit continue, it's going to ask you to type in your password, and then it's going to ask you for a reason why you're trying to deactivate your account. Go ahead and give that to them. And then of course tap deactivate account to finish, and that's it. Your Instagram's going to be hidden until you log back in. But yeah, overall it really is as simple as that. If you guys have any questions, don't hesitate to ask us down in the comment section below. And remember to like and subscribe before leaving this video. It really does help us out. Have a great rest of your day. Peace.